A lot of people have asked why I use HeyGen on this channel. But till now, I haven't felt comfortable answering publicly. Some people think I'm hiding behind AI, or that AI is running this channel. That couldn't be further from the truth. This video isn't about technology. It's about why I'm still here, and how tools can help people adapt instead of disappear. A few years ago, my health changed everything. Over time, my kidney function declined much faster than expected. By 2024, doctors were talking to me about dialysis and structuring my entire life around survival. I went from running businesses and supporting my family normally to facing choices I never imagined making. I had a decision to make. I could protect comfort, or I could try to protect time. We sold our house. We downsized. That was one of the hardest things I've ever done. And for a long time, I felt like I failed my family. But what I was really doing was choosing to stay. When I came back, I tried to work again. I applied for job after job. The market wasn't interested. Not in my age, not in my health limitations. And that's when I heard something simple. If you can help people, YouTube will let you show up. I've spent my entire career in money, finance, and investing. That knowledge didn't disappear just because my health changed, but my energy did. HeyGen didn't replace me. It allowed me to show up consistently when my body couldn't always keep up with my mind. AI didn't take my voice. It gave it back to me. Every word on this channel comes from me. AI is the delivery system, not the brain. I started posting. People found value. The channel grew. For the first time in a long time, something I built worked again. Not because of hype, because of usefulness. Every generation fears new tools. The people who thrive aren't the ones who reject them. They're the ones who learn to use them responsibly. AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to extend them. If you're sick, if you're struggling, if your old life fell apart, you're not out of options. You might just need a different tool. If you're here for honest conversations about money, resilience, and adapting in a changing world, welcome. This channel is built by a real person using real tools for real reasons.